Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. So what you need to do is log into your hosting manager or cPanel. Once you're in there you should see a logo for WordPress depending on what system you've got. If not, in cPanel you'll see an icon called Softaculous like this up in the top left corner. So click on that and then you'll access this little icon here. Once you see that, click on Install and it's going to take us to another window. So what you need to do is make sure you choose the right protocol. So most websites these days just have this, the HTTP without the www. So it just depends on what marketing material you have set up already. So just make sure that matches your marketing material. Your domain, so if you've got more than one domain, make sure you select the right domain that you want to install WordPress on. For today's lesson, I'm just going to install it in a separate directory because I don't want to overwrite this main website. So only do that if you want to set up a test site first. Otherwise, leave that blank. The next thing that I always recommend is change this WP to something else, like just two different characters. This will just help tighten up your security a little bit. Site name and site description, we're just going to leave this as it is for now, and we're going to set that up once we get into the WordPress admin. So one of the most important things is making sure you choose a strong username and a strong password. So make sure you do not use the word admin for your username because this is known by hackers, so it's easy for them to hack a website when the username is admin. So definitely don't do that. Put something in there that's not so obvious, obviously not your name if that's on your website anywhere, but I'm just going to put my name for now just for this lesson. A strong password, so this would include more letters and numbers in there. So see how it's gone up to 100 out of 100 just by adding a couple more letters and numbers. Might just change that. So make sure you use a strong password. So it has to be at least 15 characters and long. You could use this little key here to generate a password. So make sure you copy this password and put it either in Notepad or like a text editor. See how I've just done that? And I'm just going to save that to my desktop. And that's going to be my WordPress login. So I don't have to remember that password because there's no way I could remember that. So email. So make sure you put your contact email in there just in case you lock yourself out and you need to reset your password. So I'm going to put mine in. I'm also going to copy this. Leave everything else as the default, but put your email address again in this little box down here. So it's going to email you the username and password to your email as well, so you have a copy on your computer and also in your email. Once you've done that, so I'll just quickly go through it again. So choose your protocol, choose your domain. Leave that blank if you're setting it up directly on your domain name. If you're doing a test site, then put some type of name in there where it's going to install WordPress into that folder instead. Change the database prefix, add your admin username and your password, add your email again down here, and then click install. Should only take a couple of seconds. And there it is. So this is the website. So if I click on that, it's going to actually take me to the website, which is pretty boring at the moment because it's just the default WordPress theme. And if I go back, this is my admin URL. So see how it's got the WP-admin. So that's how you get into WordPress admin. It's always your site name and then that little extension. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to my admin. So I'm going to type in my username. I'm going to go to that notepad and grab that whopping big password, paste it in there. I'm going to click remember me, and then next time when I come to log in, it should just log in automatically with that password in there. So now we've arrived into our WordPress admin, so this is where we start building our site, and this will be starting in the next video. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.